With this very simple barbecue ribs recipe, you'll be your own barbecue master. It's a simple recipe that yields juicy, crispy, and very delicious pork ribs with just the rub, the barbecue sauce, For this very simple recipe, I'm going to use pork back ribs, pull one of them from this bag. I will save the rest for a future use. I will grab some paper towels and, as always, just pat it dry. This will go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half. As you can notice, the silver skin, or the skin that lines on top here, is already been taken out for me, so that makes my work easier. So if you ever buy pork ribs and they have the silver skin, all you need to do is just take one edge here and just pull it. This is all done for me. I'm going to turn it around. So now I need to season this with some salt and pepper on all sides. Turn it around. Salt. Pepper. Once it's all salted, I need some rub. Take with some spoon and just sprinkle right on top. I need a good amount of this. I will share the recipe for this rub. This is my house rub. I make in-house and I use it for my chicken barbecue or wherever that I need to roast in the oven. I will share the recipe right on top somewhere. I need a good layer of this. Then I'm going to flip it. Repeat the same process, just sprinkle right on top. No oil needed at this point. The ribs have a good amount of marbling. So just pat this dry now with the rub. Wash my hands first. Now I'll move this aside for a second. Grab a sheet pan and line with some aluminum foil. Now bring the ribs back and just sort of tent them here. And then just bring this cover on top. This goes into a 350 degrees oven for about an hour and a half. These pork ribs has been baking in the oven for about an hour and a half. Time to open up. Wow, looks so good. With the pork ribs still on the sheet pan, just try to lift them up, just being so careful not to break them off. And then just lift them off on top of the wire rack here. Now I have some barbecue sauce that I previously made. I will share the recipe right on top somewhere. I use this to make a very beautiful barbecue chicken on my channel. Put aside a little bit of this barbecue sauce, very tangy, very tasty. So just brush on top of the pork ribs. I've reset my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. this will crisp up the pork ribs and help finish up cooking. Just finish brushing this, a good layer right on top. Just turn this, put a slight layer at the bottom. At this point, you just want to be very careful not to break them off. You can see already the bones are pulling off, a good indication that they are coming close to getting done. This is a very good recipe to make at home. Boom, done. Maybe a little bit messy, but it's good. So now this goes back into the oven. Baste it probably maybe once more, and then we'll come back and enjoy. So these barbecue ribs have been in the oven for about an hour and a half to start with, and then I took them out, basted them or brushed with barbecue sauce, and here they are, just so beautiful. I just can't wait to taste them. Onto the cutting board. Fantastic. You see the bones are pulling off. That's a very good indication of doneness. Have to cut this and just see how we did. Cut right in the center. So just have a look at that. Squeeze this. Nice, juicy. Yep, gonna have to taste. There you go. Nice, very juicy. Give this a taste. So friends, there you have it, our homemade barbecue pork ribs. Takes about 2.5 hours to do, plus just a few minutes for brushing. It's delicious, it's easy to make. I will share all the ingredients down below in the description box. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.